What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Smooth Operator Trucking Channel with your boy, Smooth Operator. Someone asked me the other day, do you get paid vacation at FedEx Ground? So that's what we're going to talk about today. First of all, let me say, I love trucking. Like, absolutely love trucking. A wise man once told me, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And I've been fortunate enough to have two careers that I really do enjoy. But there are some times where you do need to step out the truck and take some time off. And if FedEx Ground is one of the places that you're thinking about coming to, you know, here's my advice for you. Like I talked about in other videos, you don't work directly for FedEx Ground when you come here. You work for a contractor, and each contractor is a little different. So shop around and figure out which contractor has some of the perks or benefits or things that you're looking for. One of those things might be paid vacation. Some do offer paid vacation. Some give it to you after a year. Some give it to you right away. Some give it to you if you're full-time. Some might give it to you if you're part-time. And some might not give it to you at all. So you just have to ask those questions when you're coming here, when you're shopping around for a FedEx Ground contractor that meets your needs. So yes, you can actually get paid vacation here at FedEx Ground. Some contractors do 1 week, some contractors actually do 2 weeks. Like I said, again, these are just questions that you need to ask when you're coming over. I actually have went on vacation a couple times in the last year. One of them being paid, the other two not so much. But another tip for that is pay yourself. What I do is I set aside 5% of my net income for things just like that, for vacations, things that I might want to purchase in the future, like a vacation, a new car, shopping spree, whatever the case might be. I always set aside 5% of my net income for that specifically. So even if you're somewhere where you don't get paid vacation, you can take vacation and you can pay yourself while you're on vacation, and you can also afford to take the vacation. That's just a little bit of my advice. Or even if you only get 1 week of paid vacation, maybe you want to take 2 or 3 more weeks throughout the year. You have enough money saved up to do so. I made a little short video of the last vacation I went on to Jamaica. So I'm gonna play it now. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's just like a little 2-minute video. Let me know what you guys think, okay? right, hope you guys enjoyed that little short video. Again, if you've never been to Jamaica, you've got to go. Highly recommend it. Well, you guys know the deal.